Yo, VKG! Happy birthday, big dog! AKA Viking King Gaming, AKA Big Dog Travis. So I just want to read something that I wrote here real quick. I want to say you've been a great inspiration to all of us, both in racing and content creating. Not only are you on the top of the leaderboards when it comes to times, but you're also on your way to the top when it comes to YouTube, doing big things. You're an awesome person, and I hope I can continue to call you a friend. And of course, you have to let me know if you're ever in South Florida so we can go karting together. And of course, make content about it. So this to you, VKG. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.